Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your color palette in Wix. This is a really useful setting to know because your color palette plays a big role in how professional, consistent, and recognizable your website looks. If you want your website to better match your brand, update its overall style, or simply refresh the look of your pages, changing the color palette in Wix is a quick and useful thing to learn. This is especially helpful if you've recently updated your logo, changed your business branding, or simply feel that your current website colors no longer fit the look you're going for. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple inside the site editor, and once you know where to click, you can make changes in just a few moments. You don't need to manually go through every section of your website just to start updating the overall color scheme. To get started, open your Wix website and go into your page editor by selecting Edit Site. This will take you into the main editing area where you can customize the design and appearance of your website. Make sure you're editing the correct website if you manage more than one Wix site from your account. If you are new to the editor, don't worry. You do not need to change any individual page elements one by one for this part. Instead, you'll be working from the brand settings, which helps control the overall visual identity of your site. This can save you a lot of time, especially on websites with multiple pages and lots of design elements. Once you are inside the editor, look at the top area and click Brand. This section is where Wix keeps the main style settings tied to your website's branding. Think of this as the main area where you can keep your site's visual identity more consistent. From there, click Colors. This will open the color palette settings for your site. Depending on your editor version or current Wix layout, the exact appearance may look slightly different, but the color settings will still be connected to your site's overall branding options. Now you'll see the different color options that make up your palette. Here you can click on the colors you want to change. If you already have official brand colors, this is a good place to use the exact color values so your website matches your logo, social media graphics, and other branding materials. Wix typically organizes these into areas such as the base colors, the shades, and the accent colors. The base colors usually influence the main look of your site, while shades can help create variation and depth. For example, you might use a lighter shade for section backgrounds and a darker shade for headings or navigation areas. Accent colors are often used to highlight buttons, links, or other important design details, so choosing these carefully can make a big difference in how your site feels. A strong accent color can also help draw attention to important actions such as Buy Now, Contact Us, Book Now, or Sign Up buttons without making the page feel too busy. As you update each color, try to keep your design consistent and easy to read. For example, make sure there is enough contrast between text and background colors so your content stays clear and accessible. A very light text color on a white background, for instance, may look stylish at first, but can make your content difficult for visitors to read. It also helps to choose colors that reflect the tone of your brand, whether that's professional, creative, modern, or bold. A professional business might prefer clean, neutral colors with one strong accent, while a creative brand may use brighter or more expressive combinations. The important thing is to keep the colors working together rather than choosing each one separately. After you click and adjust the colors you want, your updated palette will reflect across your site's design settings. It's a good idea to quickly preview a few important pages afterwards, especially your homepage, contact page, and any pages with buttons or forms, just to make sure everything still looks clear and balanced. And that's it. That's how you change your color palette in Wix. Once you know where these settings are located, updating the overall visual style of your website becomes much quicker. If you found this helpful, you can use the same approach anytime you want to refresh your branding and give your website a new visual style. It's a simple change, but it can make your whole site feel more polished and consistent without having to redesign everything from scratch.